Both GFCI and AFCI receptacles and breakers are installed for homeowner safety. They are very sensitive, so you must be careful not to plug in devices that may overload a circuit. A ground fault circuit interrupter, a GFCI, can help prevent electrocution. If a person's body starts to receive a shock, the GFCI senses this and cuts off the power before he or she can get injured. GFCIs are generally installed where electrical circuits may accidentally come into contact with water. AFCI receptacles are designed to recognize an arc fault and quickly trip to stop the flow of electricity to prevent the electrical system from being an ignition source for a fire. If you have a problem with the power in a possible wet area like a bathroom, kitchen, or outside, first check the small test button to see if it needs to be reset. There should be an indicator light showing green when it is good. If the outlet does not reset, you will want to check the breakers. This will be true for all other areas of power as well. Let me show you how to reset a breaker and how to shut off the power in the home. In the garage, there is a sub panel. If you have problems with the power and have checked all the GFCIs, open the sub panel and check to see if any breaker is in the reset position. If it is in the reset position, turn off the breaker all the way, then turn it back on. As for the main service disconnect, the electrical room is usually located on the side of the building or on the side of your home. Your electrical shutoff is labeled either by your address or by home site number. Open the cover and flip the switch. This will turn off all the power to the home. As a security measure, you can add a lock to the main electrical cover also.